one, we're going to learn about Apple Business Manager and the benefits of integrating ABM with Addigy. How do we actually establish this connection with Apple Business Manager and Addigy? Well, within our policies, if we were to navigate into integrations and settings, we'll see several tabs here. Right. Now, in a previous video, we spoke about the MDM enrollment profile and how this establishes your initial enrollment of your machine. Automatic device enrollment is where you establish your connection between the policy and Apple Business Manager. And the process is similar to what we've covered up until now. We're going to download a file from Addigy, upload that file to Apple, who then provides us a file to upload back into Addigy. We're going to download this public key. With the public key downloaded, see if I can get that out the way. All right, public key downloaded. We're going to go into business.apple.com. Within business.apple.com, I'll navigate into my preferences and click add. And this is going to be my MDM server. And your MDM server is the one-to-one relationship with your policies in Addigy. So what I'll do is I'll upload the certificate that I just downloaded via Addigy. Click Save. Apple should then provide me with the token I need to establish the connection, right? So I'll download a token here from Apple Business Manager. Download token. Right? And basically, any machine that is currently in this MDM server is going to enroll directly into this particular policy here. Right? So our token has been uploaded. Profile name, I'll call it Bravo Networks. Support phone number, just a little default number here. Support email. Department, just call it support. And then as you scroll down, you'll start to see settings that you can configure, right? What will the user experience as they are logging into their machines, right? They get a brand new machine, and what is it that they'll have to go through? Will you enforce a certain OS, right? So we're currently on Mac OS 26, iOS 26, and iPad OS 26. Perhaps you want to enforce this operating system as the user is enrolling, right? Some other options as well, like creating your IT admin account. You have additional layers of authentication available as well. So you can add an additional passcode authentication for the user to go through in order to complete the enrollment. And you have the SSO enrollment, which is another option for authenticating your users as they enroll in the machine. And then lastly, we can see here which setup assistance steps are you comfortable with the end user encountering. Do you want to skip all setup assistance steps? Do you want to leave some items perhaps available, like file vault, right? This really boils down to admin discretion, but it's fully customizable here. And as I mentioned, all your machines that end up in this MDM server should begin to appear in this list here. Thank you so much.